Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We will see some more code to understand the supercall method. So this is the test one class. Now we will understand first, then we will see output. So this is the code. So execution starts from the main method we know. So here we are when we are creating the object, that time constructor is called. So memory allocated, we are giving a reference P2. Okay. So here see when we are creating the object, that time constructor is called, but here constructor is not zero parameterized, constructor is two parameterized, so it will come here test 2. So in the test 2, this is two parameterized constructor, so it will come here. After that there is a super call method, so super call method will go to zero parameterized constructor in the pan class, so it will come here and it will go to here. So it will come here. There is a super call method. So from here it will go to parent. Test one parent is object, but there is no constructor, so it will come back. After going, it will come back. So from object, it will come back to here. Okay. After this, there is a statement x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 200. So here x is equal to 100, y is equal to 200. Now after that, this test one is coming from here. Now it will come back to this line. So there is a super call method, so it will come back here. Now there is a and b. So when we are calling it from here, that time we have a value 6 and 63. So it will, when it come to here, then with the value, yeah, 6 and 66. Okay. So this dot a means we are giving this value to a and 66. So a and b will be 6 and 66. A is equal to 6, b is equal to 56. Now after that it will come back to here. Now it will print to t2 dot this means this one. X, Y, A and B. So we are getting output 100, 200, 6 and 66. Now we'll see the output. 100, 200, 6 and 66. There 100, 200, 6 and 66. So I hope you understand the working process, how it works. Now we see the difference between these method call and super method call. So now we will see the difference between these method and super method. These. It is used to call the constructor of the same class. On the other hand, in the super method call, it is used to call so we know that this method is used to call the constructor in the same class means there is a one class inside there two constructors are there. So if we want to invoke one constructor to another in the same class, that time we use this. But if we want to, there is a parent-child relationship and we want to invoke the constructor in the another class, that time we use super. Now the syntax is it is always in the first line and super is always in the first line. So this is example int x and after that we write this super and the third one to initialize the current class object. When we are creating the object, that time the constructor is called, and in this the constructor is all to the current class, but here the constructor is called to the parent class. Okay. Now the fourth one is only within the same class the super method call can be used in child class to access parent class. So these are the four difference we have between this method call and super method call. Okay, so this is the super method call. So thank you.